Hey, happy Friday, guys. Want to spend just a quick minute talking about those buyers that just didn't qualify. Maybe their credit was off just a little bit, maybe it was off a lot. I run into that quite a bit on our side. This is a good time to engage them. We know that the demand is starting to slip a little bit, and I think it's smart to go back to our database and say who had that credit score was just off a little bit. Maybe they were trying to get a low down payment option, a down payment assistance, and they were in those mid fives. Where are they at? Because those folks still need some help. We have partnered here at Neo with a really good credit restoration company. The way that it works is you send the lead over to us, we have a conversation with the buyer, and then we're going to turn them on to the credit restoration company. Now, they're going to set up a consultation, which you're invited to, so the group of us on one call get a chance to discuss the game plan. So from there, we know the timeline, we know the strategy, we know exactly what the client's going to have to work on, and it's a way for us to sort of care of the seeds that we've planted for these guys and create a harvest for the future. Now, some of them can turn around in as little as a couple of days. Others are going to take months, and then some of them are going to take much longer, maybe 6 months or a year or whatever. But it's good to have a plan in place. Now, the system has an online portal. We can actually track and see the progress of each and every one of our clients who enroll when they market to those or when they follow up with them. That's including our information as well as your information as the referring party. And so that way we're constantly in front of these people. So if you've had anybody in the past that maybe was turned down, maybe we weren't the lender on it, but this was just somebody that didn't work. They didn't have the credit scores. They didn't have the credit profile. Let me know who they are. We'd love to get back in contact with them, re-engage a little bit, see how we can support them. I can tell you from my personal experience, those clients, at least the ones that are willing, are some of our best referrals. Like the people that nobody spent the time with. They've gotten told no over and over again. So to finally get a plan and hear a way to kind of work and have somebody actually fully support them, these folks tend to stick around literally forever. They become like of our business. And a lot of times they refer way more friends and family than some of the qualified clients that we can help right away. So I would encourage you, if your business is just a little bit slow right now, we typically all have a little bit more time on our hands with the market slowing down just a tad. Go back to those people, identify who they are. If you kind of need some help engaging with those folks, let me know. I'd be happy to jump on a call with them, and let's see how we can kind of together maybe a future set of buyers together by working with these folks and giving them something to look forward to. All right, until next time, have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.